Most Marshall Fire victims, it seems, are determined to come back, to rebuild their lives and their neighborhoods. But our investigative team found that the majority of Marshall Fire victims are underinsured, even those who recently updated their policies.
And that means rebuilding will cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars over what their policies will pay. Tonight, Denver7 investigative reporter Jennifer Kovaleski takes those concerns to lawmakers.
It does not look anything like it did.
As Marshall Fire victims try to pick up the pieces.
There are very few things left here that are salvageable.
And fight to return home.
On my street, there's 15 people, 15 families that lost their house. I want everybody to come back.
Many with insurance are finding they don't have enough to cover the full cost to rebuild.
Why is that acceptable as a society? We should do better to protect the people of our towns and the lives that they've built.
Sean Howe updated her insurance policy less than a month before the fire and is still being told she's underinsured, and not by a little.
Somewhere between $400,000 and $600,000 is the current estimate. The insurance companies, in my opinion, should be required to keep up to date with their estimates.
Do you think there will be lessons learned from the Marshall Fire?
Well, I hope so.
Senator Bob Rankin is passionate about wildfires for good reason.
There were 4 major fires in my district in 2020. So, I feel a real responsibility.
Who's to blame for the underinsurance issue?
I don't think anybody's to blame, actually. I think that the insurance companies have offered a product, in many cases with options. It's an issue of public awareness. It's an issue of understanding the risk.
He says mandating insurance coverage is tricky because it would come at a high cost for everyone.
We can't mandate that everybody on the whole Front Range buys an expensive policy because everybody's not at the same risk.
But Rankin does see the need to update the risk areas for wildfires and to potentially include suburban neighborhoods like Superior and Louisville, where no one expected this kind of disaster.
And that would lead to what kind of insurance do you need depending on the risk area that you're in.
Rankin is also sponsoring legislation to make the insurance process easier for wildfire victims. House Bill 1111 would force insurance companies to pay more upfront for personal property claims. These are claims that cover the contents of your home. Currently, homeowners only get 30% of their policy value and then have to write out itemized lists of everything they've lost to get the rest.
It's just agonizing for people to have to do that.
Fight to rebuild it and fight to get the money for the things that were inside of it.
But for Marshall wildfire victims, it's already too late.
We've got more work to do.
I think we need better regulations and we need better consumer protections.
The state is also investigating to find out how many people are underinsured. Insurance experts will tell you it's on the homeowners to update their policies every year. But those we talked to who did say their policies are still falling short. I'm Denver7 investigative reporter Jennifer Kovaleski.